Hi, this is John McGlynn from EMNS. This is one of several presentations on our website. This one's focused on validated materials genealogy. Really, that's about traceability, and we have shown here a simple multi-tier supply chain, finished products plant, which would be your plant, a internal feeder plant, or possibly the first tier supplier external plant. And then the last tier is the supplier or the external supplier to the feeder plant. So we know there are all kinds of combinations like this, including co-manufacturers. So let's keep it simple. GSQA is offered over the web, software as a service, and allows us to model what I'm going to call dialogues. This is the relationship of material movement and specification conformance and documentation compliance that's required in the supply chain. So GSQA allows spec collaboration for materials to be shipped, the test results capture, the analysis of those test results over time by trending the data, and that gives rise to statistical process control alerts when there are real problems with materials upon receipt or found to be problems in production. Nonconformances can be generated to the preceding process or to the responsible supplier, and then scorecarding is available of any of the members of the supply chain. Now that set of features and that scenario, including certifications and other regulatory documentations, can be replicated across the supply chain. Here we show internal batch tests done the same way, that the handoff between processes or phases of production can be tracked in GSQA with the same sort of data capture and visibility. And then, of course, to the external supplier, the electronic certificate of analysis, and all the other features that go along with that dialogue. So you get a feeling that GSQA is enabling the visibility of the supply chain by marrying work in progress in plants with finished products with the inbound supply chain, so you can in fact have true supply chain quality traceability, which gives rise then to the genealogy of a product in the marketplace. Now, how do we get that done? Let's move on to the slide where in fact we are going to talk about the same modeling process, but we're going to focus on the certificate of analysis. Now, assuming that COA specification set and test required has been approved and the supplier agrees, the supplier is ready to ship, and when that, in fact, data is entered in the COA by any number of means, let me run through those real quickly for you. You can key in the data, which nobody wants to do, but some people have to do. You can upload an Excel spreadsheet, or you can cut and paste from an Excel spreadsheet. You can upload the output from a computer system. You can, in fact, move the data from a computer system directly into GSQA over the web, such as a laboratory information system, or an ERP system, or another quality system. So the idea is we give you the ability to enter data any number of ways, as well as use our service bureau approach and our automated data capture approach. So we give the supply base the broadest range of data entry methods for ease of use and ease of adoption. So if the COA data is validated online real time and it's been approved, then the COA basically becomes an advanced ship notice to the receiving plant that says our material is on its way, it's in spec. The material then is in fact shipped and efficiently received because it's in spec, barring any kind of in-transit problems, again, handled by the nonconformance process module in GSQA. But let's assume the material's in fact been incorporated in your production phases, and in fact this feeder plant and or your first tier supplier is ready to ship that material. They produce the COA by the same rules as the external supplier. And then when that is validated online by any number of methods of getting the data in there, then the advanced ship notice goes to the next tier in the supply chain. The material is in fact shipped. That also can extend to your customers and to your distribution channel to allow GSQA then to provide you multi-tiered traceability based on this constant flow of material and the constant material validation made available over the web from source suppliers to finished product plants as proven by customers using GSQA today. Hope this has been informative about the big picture of GSQA, and if you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.